In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Play Store waiting for download problem, and this works 100%. This is legit. So I'm actually going to show you two different solutions that you can use to solve your problem. So if you have this problem that you're downloading an app and it just keeps saying that like waiting for download, then this is actually going to solve that problem. So one of the ways to do this is to go to your Play Store and to click on the three lines and click on settings right there, and then right there you can see general app download preference. So click on that and then click on over any network and click on done. That's one way to actually do this. And then there's another way that I like even better, and that is to go to settings on your phone, and then you want to find apps. So you want to scroll down, click on apps, and then find let's see, where is it? Let me scroll through these. You want to find the Play Store. So it's right there, Google Play Store. And then you want to click on storage, and then you want to click on clear data. Click on OK. And this actually resets the Google Play Store. So if you go back to your Play Store, you would have to sign in again probably. Let's see. Yes, there you go. So it actually just resets the Play Store. Okay, so you don't even have to sign in again. You can just go to the app that you want to download, and then you can simply download it. So I'm just going to install a random app to show you guys that this actually works. Let's go with Online Soccer Manager. Click on install. It says waiting for download, but this is actually going to work. So I'll get back to you once it's actually downloaded. And there you go. So as you can see right there, it's now installing the app on my phone. It's installing right now, and this should actually be downloaded in any minute. Now that's how you actually fix this problem. So if this video helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like and comment down below that this works, so that others know that this is actually legit as well, and this will then save them time. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.